Hey, what's up, family? So, this is a quick video to help everybody know exactly what they need when selling on Amazon, whether it's for, well, mainly for retail arbitrage, but some of these items, they fall into private label as well. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I uploaded the video and realized that I didn't do any introduction, and I just started talking about what you need because I seen so many people asking me in the DM, "Hey, LAVAR, what do we need? What do we need?" It's a lot of new people in the family. The family's getting swole. But yeah, so let me just show you guys what you need. Remember, all the links are below, and I said this while showing you guys some of the items, that it is a privilege to be a seller on Amazon because you automatically are Amazon Prime, meaning you get everything in 2 days and free 2-day shipping. Not only that, for that overnight 1-day shipping, it's only like what, $3 or $7, I forget, but you ain't gonna find that anywhere else. Anyways, without further ado, I got you. The first items you're going to need to sell on Amazon, retail arbitrage or private label, it really doesn't matter. And these are the obvious, and these are things you probably already have. And I'm just going to name those really quick. You're going to need a computer, preferably a laptop. Okay, you're going to need a cell phone with the Amazon Seller app. To get that app, all you got to go do is go to the App Store on your phone and type in Amazon Seller app. Download that. You're gonna need that. When it comes to retail arbitrage, the number one first thing I suggest you buy, you invest in, and everything that I got, I'm gonna post a link below, guys, to exactly where I get my stuff now. Some of these things I get at stores. Some of these things I get for free when I get lucky, and I'm gonna explain to you how. So the first thing I suggest you guys go and get right now, and you will need this for private label and for retail arbitrage. More so for retail arbitrage, less for private label depending on what you're doing. But that is none other than the scale here. This scale is a beast scale. I tried using kitchen scales. I tried using body scales. I tried everything, and this is just the best. For one main reason is because you can put the box on the scale and the digital reader is way far away from the scale, so no matter how big the box is, you'll always get your readings, and you can pause them and you can put them in pounds, ounces, whatever you like. So this scale is a must. That's the first item. Okay, guys, link below to where I get this, where I got it. I haven't need to buy it since. It was awesome investment. So the next thing you need that is a must if you're going to be doing retail arbitrage mainly and only pretty much is the SCOTTY peeler. Now this thing is cheap here. I had to buy it one time, but I bought a package, so I got a couple of them in one pack. But yeah, I've been using the same one for months now. This thing here saves you so much time and effort, and it cleanly gets these little sticky things that I have stuck to this bag here off your boxes without leaving, you know, an unappealing look to your box. Make sure you get this, because without this it's going to be a pain, and you don't want to be messing up your nails and have that sticky stuff all over your nails. It's just nah, you don't want that. Next item. Another thing you need that you may or may not have laying around your house is a tape measure. Alright guys, you're going to need this. This is important because this and the scale go hand in hand, because when you're shipping in your products to Amazon, they want to know the exact measurements of your product or your boxes. You can get this from Home Depot. You can get this from any store, or you can just order it online. I ordered mine online because I ordered everything at once. It just saves time because, quick note, if you are an Amazon seller or thinking of becoming an Amazon seller, you are by default a Prime member on Amazon, which means whenever you order something, you get it in 2 days. And for 1 day shipping, I think it's only like $3, $3 or $7, which you can't find anywhere. So yeah, if you guys want this, if you're urgent, you want it now, and you just got things to do, order it online. If not, go to Home Depot, Walmart, try to find one, whatever you think. But this is a good industrial one. And yeah, this is something else you need below. Another thing you're gonna need is, and I actually ran out, so I'm going to order some more, box tape. This is Scotch tape, but I'm just using this as an example. You don't want to actually use this. This stuff will never work. But you want actual box tape, so I'll put the actual tape that I ordered down below. This is something you're gonna need, but yeah, like I said, don't buy Scotch tape, because you're gonna fail with that stuff. Your box will rip open. As you can see in the background, you're gonna need boxes, and notice I have several different sizes. So you're going to need all different shapes and sizes of boxes. I get this question a lot. Where do you get your boxes? So I have ordered my boxes before in bulk, and that saved me time. I just ordered a bunch of them at once, different sizes. Mainly the medium size being the main size I ordered. And then when I was ran out, I ordered them again one time. And ever since, I've been building relationships with stores I shop at, so they give me free boxes now. And I no longer need to order my boxes as much. Sometimes I do still, but I haven't lately. Go to these stores that you're buying stuff at, even your local grocery store, and ask them if they have boxes that they don't want. Usually they do, and they'll just give them to you. Sometimes they're beat up, but sometimes most times you make them work. So yeah, do that. It's a quick tip, guys, but you definitely need boxes. Another very, very important item you're going to need are these labels. Okay, we've been over this before. You guys see me put these on boxes. We'll put these on actual products. These are gonna go on every item you find in the store, and even if you ship an item for private label that you want to test and you want to print out a label to go on, you can still use these labels as well. So this goes hand in hand for both private label and retail arbitrage. Obviously, retail arbitrage, you need these on every one of your items, guys. But yeah, I'll post a link below to where I get these as well. All right. Next item, last but not least, is, I don't actually have it here, is something called Goo Be Gone. I used all my Goo Be Gone, but I found a little trick just on my own. I ran out of Goo Be Gone, and I started to use, which I ran out of too, and I'm gonna order this as well now, coconut oil, guys. Coconut oil works almost as good as Goo Be Gone. Honestly, in my opinion, sometimes better. Sometimes it just depends on what you're using it on, how much you use, things like that. But I've been using coconut oil. I just put a little bit of this on like a back of a sock or something, and I just scrape away, on the item that I'm trying to get the sticky stuff off of. So when you use the SCOTTY peeler, right, or you're peeling off, price tags off the box that you're gonna ship in, or the item you're gonna ship in, most times it leaves this nasty sticky stuff, right? And you want it to look professional, unless you just have no choice but to send in your boxes a little damaged. That happens sometimes, but you want to definitely wipe off this sticky stuff, clean your box as nice as possible. You are representing your business, your brand, so you want it to look as clean as possible, and coconut oil is awesome for that if you do not have Goo Be Gone. Alright, guys. Oh, and yeah, I think, no, wait, there's one more, a very important one that you guys always ask me about, and that is, what printer do I use? Okay, guys, I ordered my printer online as well, just because I got it in 2 days and I couldn't find it anywhere cheaper. So, and this printer is amazing. It does everything, and it's Wi-Fi. So let me show you guys the printer I use really quick. 2750 Epson's. This is what I use. It prints color, black and white, Wi-Fi printer, amazing printer. That is it. That's it. I'm quite sure. I don't think I'm missing anything. Family, you guys have been asking for this. What do I use? What do I use? How do I get started? What do I need? There's a lot of new people that's coming to the fam. What's up, family? This is everything you need. And as I said before, the links are all below. You guys will be supporting the family if you get it through my link. So that's awesome, guys. Thanks a lot. Another thing is, course is coming soon. private community coming soon, and we're really gonna ramp this thing up because I've been seeing a lot of questions, guys, that I want to touch up really quick. I see a lot of questions. There's so many questions coming in now that it's really hard for me to answer everybody. So when I do launch the course, or when I do launch the private community, you know, I will be in there hands-on answering questions 24/7. So make sure to look out for that, guys. As always, if you are part of the family, then you're subscribed. If you're not a part of the family, then I don't even know why you're watching this, man. You're not even cool. Nah, you still cool, but just hit that subscribe button to be a part of the family. And if you blood family, you already know, you hit the bell too, and you added the new channel down below, where I'm just doing all types of crazy stuff, mainly working out, but I'm actually I'm being my goofy self. So you guys make sure you go follow that channel. You don't know what's going. I don't even know what I'm gonna post on that channel, but yeah, it's cool to just, you know, get a break from this stuff and just have fun. All right, guys. So without further ado, I am out. Peace.